Today, we will read a beautiful story.
Please be calm and listen carefully.
The Farmer and His Sons. Once, an old farmer had 3 sons who were always fighting with each other. Their father told them to live in peace, but they wouldn't listen. He was very worried about what would happen to them after he was gone. One day, the farmer became very sick. He called his sons and asked them to bring him a handful of sticks. He tied the sticks together into a bundle and asked each son to try and break it. Even though they were strong, none of them could break the bundle. Then, the father untied the sticks and gave one to each son. They broke the single sticks easily. The farmer said, "My sons, if you stay together like the bundle, no one can break you. But if you are divided, you will be weak." The sons finally understood. They stopped fighting and promised to live in peace. Moral: united we stand, divided we fall.